Your PC turns on but nothing shows on the screen? Don't panic. In this 5-minute guide, we'll walk you through the most common causes and quick solutions for a desktop computer display that won't post. Let's start simple. First, double-check all cables. Ensure that every connection is secure and properly seated. Sometimes a loose cable can be the culprit behind display issues. Make sure your monitor is powered on and connected to the correct port: HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, or VGA. Verify that the power button is illuminated, indicating the monitor is receiving power. Then, check if the monitor works at all. Observe if the screen lights up or shows any signs of activity. A blank screen might mean the monitor is not receiving a signal. Try connecting it to another computer or plug in a different monitor to your desktop. This helps determine if the issue lies with the monitor or the computer itself. If you hear fans spinning but see no image, move on to the next steps. This indicates that the computer is running, but the display issue might be more complex. Many desktops use a beep code system to tell you what's wrong. If you hear a pattern of beeps after turning on the PC, consult your motherboard manual or search the model online. One long and two short beeps often means a graphics card issue. No beeps at all, your motherboard may not be completing post-power on self-test. One of the most common causes of no display is faulty or improperly seated RAM. Power off your PC, unplug it, and open the case. Carefully remove each RAM stick, then reseat it firmly into its slot. If you have more than one, try booting with only one stick installed. Switch them one at a time to find a faulty module. If your desktop has a dedicated graphics card, make sure it's properly seated in the PCIe slot and has any needed power cables attached. No luck? Try removing the graphics card and connecting your monitor directly to the motherboard's video output. If you see a display now, your GPU could be the problem. Still nothing? Let's talk power. Ensure your 24-pin motherboard power and CPU 8-pin power connectors are firmly connected. If your motherboard has debug LEDs or a small display, check those for error codes. Also, try resetting the BIOS by removing the CMOS battery for 30 seconds, then reinserting it. If you've tried all these steps and your display still won't post, you might have a failing power supply, CPU, or motherboard, and it's time to seek professional help. Before replacing parts, test each component in a known working system if possible, or take your PC to a repair technician for diagnostics. Gap 3S. Let's dive into BIOS settings. BIOS, or Basic Input-Output System, is a crucial part of your computer's hardware. It controls the basic functions of your PC and ensures that all components work together smoothly. Sometimes, incorrect BIOS settings can cause display issues. This can be frustrating, especially if you're not sure what went wrong. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through the process. Restart your PC and enter the BIOS setup by pressing the designated key, usually F2, DL, or ESC, during boot. This key varies depending on your computer's manufacturer, so check your manual if you're unsure. Once in the BIOS, ensure that your primary display output is set correctly. Look for settings related to your graphics card or integrated graphics and make sure they are configured properly. Save any changes and exit the BIOS. Your computer will restart and hopefully, the display issue will be resolved. If this doesn't resolve the issue, proceed to the next step. There are other troubleshooting methods we can explore to get your display back to normal. Gap 3S. Overheating can also cause display problems. Ensure that your PC's cooling system is working properly. Check if the fans are spinning and that there is no dust buildup blocking airflow. You can also try reapplying thermal paste to the CPU. If your PC still doesn't display anything, it might be time to seek professional help. Sometimes software issues can cause display problems. Try booting your PC in safe mode to see if the display works. If it does, you might have a driver or software conflict. Update your graphics drivers and uninstall any recently installed software that might be causing the issue. If the problem persists, consider reinstalling your operating system. your computer is back up and running smoothly. We hope this helped get your PC back on track. If it did, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.